Creating a timeline animation in CapCut on PC involves organizing and editing your clips and text, and then exporting your final video. Open CapCut and create a new project. Click the Import button to upload your video clips or images. Add a text and create a straight line. Then add a slide right animation and set its duration to 4.7 seconds. Create another line on top of main line and choose appropriate animation for it. Add another text and the image of your desire. Now extend all the texts and image, then cut them. Afterwards, create a compound clip. Place initial keyframe at the beginning of compound clip. Move the playhead 16 frames forward and add another keyframe by dragging the image towards the left side of the screen. Copy-paste the second and third layer of text and set their positions. Then place the second image on screen. Use the play button above the timeline to preview your animation. Make adjustments to the timing, transitions, or effects as needed. Click the Export button in the top right corner to save your video to your computer. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking timeline animation in CapCut on PC. Experiment with different effects, transitions, and animations to make your project unique.